Hi everyone, welcome to Big Miras. Today I will explain about how to order the products in store section, how to book the vehicle in vehicle section, how to book the service in on-demand service. First, we have to install the Big Miras application. Go to Play Store and install the Big Miras application. I already installed this application, so I will open it directly. This is the Big Miras application. First, here we can see store section, vehicle section and service section and profile section. We have to go first service section for new registration. You are already using this application. You want to give your contact number, then password, then click on login. Now you are using this. You are fresher in this app. Click on sign up. Give your full name. Enter your phone number. Then add strong password. Then add your email ID. Then click on register. Now you are registered in Big Miras application. Click on OK. Next, we have to go for location. Here current location is already saved. This is my current location. I will show you how to add. Enter your name. Enter your phone number. Then enter your house number. Then enter landmark. Then select current location. Here I am adding my home location. That's why I am click on save. Okay. Then I will enter this as enter address type is home. Okay. Then click on proceed. If you want to add your office address or your other address, you can also add here. Then click on new address, add your full name. Enter your phone number. Add your phone number. Then enter your house number. I'm saving as this my office address. That's why I'm entering my office home address, office house number. Enter landmark. Then select location. Then enter address type. This is my office address. Next I will add my cousin brother's address. Okay. We can also add more address also here. Enter name, phone number, then enter house number, enter landmark, then location. This is my brother's house address. Then click on proceed. If you are in another address, you can also add here your another address also. Next, I will show you how to order the products in store section. In store section, so many shops are available here, like beauty, personal, computer and accessories, and home appliances, grocery, vegetable, meat and fish, restaurant. I will show you I will show you in grocery mart how to book the product. Here one shop is showing. Click on this Steel Store. Then this screen will open. In top of the right side, bell notification is available. Then cart. If you want to call directly to vendor, you can also option here. Then delivery option is also available. Then product details also available here. Then ratings and reviews also we can see here. Then vendor's full detail, store owner's number also we can see. Then mail also we can see. Okay, I will show you how to order first. Okay, click on view store. Oil, I will take one product, one or two products. I am adding this. It will save in cart. I am taking this oil. Okay. Product full description we can see in this page. Then we can also share this product also to another one. See, like this. Okay. Next, we can share this app also to another one, like this in WhatsApp or any other media. In wishlist, if you like another one product, we can also save in wishlist. Now I already add this product, 4 products. Okay, it will we can see in this right side. Here selection option, category. So here category is also available, like dairy, toast and curry, paneer and toast. Here category is also available. I will click on dairy toast. Okay, this is the dairy toast curry category. Here so many categories also we can see, like this bakery snacks and rice products and butter and chutney, like this. Okay, if you want to which category, you can select and you can add here. I added this to cart. Here right side cart symbol is we can see. Click on this. See, here I selected products we can see. In this screen, if you want to more products, if you want more oil pockets, you can add the product like this, add the oil pockets like this. If you don't want this, you can also decrease also. Decrease option is also available. If you don't want this product, delete option is also available. You can delete this. Okay. Next, here subtotal, delivery total. we can see fully detailed. Okay, then click on checkout. For which address do you want to deliver? Select this. Okay, I'm selecting. For which address do you want to deliver? You can select here. I'm selecting home address. Okay, or in home address here, deliver no, order note. On which time do you want? You can also add here. I'm adding 10 a.m. Okay, then click on continue. Then product is successfully ordered. Screen we can see screen like this. Okay, this is the process of how to order products in store section. Then in vehicle section, how to book, I will show you. Here so many vehicles also we can see available here, like cab, auto rickshaw, goods carrier, mini truck. So many vehicles also available. I will show you one how to book. I'm taking cab. Here so many car details or car vendors also we can see. Then click on call now. Screen shown like this. If you want more detail, vendors more details, service provider name also we can see, customer number also we can see. We can share this also, we can share this vehicle also. If you want to like, or if you can also add this in wish list. Then you can call directly to vendors for more information. I will show you how to book. Okay, then click on book now. Sorry, reviews also we can see here. Next, how to book I will show you. Select date of booking. When you want to book this also you can book here. Select date of booking. Select timing. Which time do you want to book? You can also add here. Pick up. From which place to pick up? You can also add here. You must add here. Then drop location. Select drop location. Then click on book now. Here total distance in kilometer amount will show, and total price also it will show automatically. Then click on confirm booking. Then order is successful. Okay, your booking is successful. Now I will show you how to book this service in the on-demand service. Here so many service also available, like mason work, carpenter, tile, marble fitter, painter also. Here I will click on engineer. So many service are available here. Click on Mohammed Sajir. You can also choose in both of you. I will click on Mohammed Sajir. Here service full detail we can see, servicer name, service provider name, kilometer service, how many kilometers server we can see easily, contact number also we can see. Then we can share this service also to another one in share option. If you want to add in wish list also, you can call directly to vendor for more information. Okay, I will show you how to book. Okay, explain why you want to book for engineer work. then date of booking, then time of booking, then job description, then job location, then select job location and click on book now. Now service booking process is completed. We can see full booking, full detail we can see in my order booking. Here store booking list we can see in store, vehicle booking in we can see in vehicle section, service booking in we can see in service section. Next, managing address. I already told where you want to book, that address also we can add here. Then wish list. In profile setting, only change password option is also available. Only change password, not anyone changes in this screen. Only changing password option is also available. Okay. Then wish list we can see here. We can share this app to anyone in WhatsApp, etc. on other social media. App tutorials we can see here. Then after this full app tutorial, how to use this app videos we can see here. Next, after this all process we must log out from here. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you want to log out from here also, you can log out here. After this all process, okay. If you have any vehicle or own service store, you can also add in another one app, Big Midas partner application. I will upload in next video. Okay. Please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Link description I given below in this video. Okay. Thank you.